April here, back with the DIY smudge stick tutorial. So basically today I'm just going to be doing a do-it-yourself smudge stick with different items, not including sage today. I was not able to find any, but yeah, this should be fun. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and grab our basil. We're going to bunch these up and get to trimming. So next we'll be grabbing our mint, and we're actually going to be dividing most of this. So up next is my favorite part, cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon literally has so many uses. It is so amazing. Obviously I don't know how to open a bag. Just ignore all that. But yeah, cinnamon can be used in so many ways, and I'm actually going to be showing y'all in one of the upcoming videos. So now we have bay leaves. So the reason I actually chose to use bay leaves is because of their therapeutic properties. They are known to relieve anxiety and stress when burned. So I thought that was pretty cool. They also have a really nice smell if you boil them in water. So now we have lemongrass. If you haven't heard of lemongrass, lemongrass actually has a lot of cool things it can be used for or substituted for. It does have antibacterial properties, so you can use it on your skin and different things as an oil. It can also be used as an incense. It has a lot of cleansing and healing properties to it. Next, we have some chamomile branches. Chamomile does have many uses in magic, regular life.
It can be used as an incense, it can be used for protection, healing, money. It can be used as a tea for healing your insides. Chamomile can be used for so many things.
So now that I'm looking back, I probably should have cut the chamomile branches out of their wrapping earlier, but it's okay. It's okay. Now that we've gotten everything gathered, we're going to go ahead and grab our 100% cotton thread, and we're going to go ahead and tie a knot, combining all of the pieces together. So the last step to this process, now that our smudge stick is tied, is to air dry this and maybe hang dry inside depending on what you would like to do.